Hey guys! So today I'm going to be doing a winter makeup tutorial, I guess. I'm kind of making this up as I go, so it might not turn out perfect, but this is just gonna be a fun video, okay? So yeah, let's just get into it. So I don't exactly know what color I'm gonna do, but I recently just got the ColourPop Anna and Elsa Frozen 2 eyeshadow palettes, which I'm excited about because pretty cool. Yeah, so I think I might be using, I think I'm gonna do like a plum color or something, but this is what the Elsa one looks like. And this is what the Anna palette looks like. Palette looks like. And yeah, I really like the colors. They were both $15, and I don't know if that's normal pricing because I got these during Cyber Monday. On Cyber Monday I also got this, which is just like it's just a benefit. It has the professional primer, mascara, and an eyebrow gel, and so I've never had any benefit stuff, and so I thought this would be like a really good thing to pick up so that I could try it. And I think it was like $8, $12, something like that. It wasn't that much, and I was like, ooh, it has the professional primer in it, which I was really excited about because I've seen a bunch of people use it and it always has really good reviews, except it's like $30. And let me tell you, I'm not gonna pay $30 for a primer. So when I saw that this was like a super cheap price, I was like, whoa, we're totally getting that. And then I saw, and it said it fun sized on the Ulta website because I bought this stuff online, like usual. And it said it was fun size and that these two products were full size. So I was like, okay. So it might just be a smaller version. They weren't kidding. It is this tiny. This is like a sample size. Whatever. I still gotta use it, so I'm gonna use it now. Alright, I'm unscrewing the cap. Whoa, that's really smooth.
Whoa, that's really smooth.
Makes my skin feel so soft. My God. Next, we're gonna do the foundation. So I'm just using the same foundation that I always use because it's like the only one I have, and it's Warmest Way Too Faced foundation. That it's medium to full coverage in the shade Snow because that's my color. I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. concealer that is the 16-hour camo concealer that my friend gave me, and it like totally sprays everywhere when you open it, and like, yeah, it's like way too light for me. So I think I'm gonna just put a tiny bit, because if I put too much, it's like, no. Literally just put such a small amount because it spreads out so evenly. Now we're gonna go to eyeshadow. So I think I'm going to be doing a plum color because I think that's cute and it's gonna have some gold in it, hopefully. So I'm just using this fluffy brush. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Elsa palette and I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is Fire, even though it doesn't look anything like fire. And I'm just gonna put that all over because it's just like a base. So that's the other eye. I definitely like this one better, but this is only the first color, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now I'm in the Anna palette, and these colors don't match very well, the two palettes, but we're gonna try it anyway. So I think I'm gonna get this shade, which is this shade on my finger, and I hope that'll look okay. We'll see. And I'm just putting that on the outer half of my lid. So that's that color, and now I'm gonna try and add the purple. Alright, so we're gonna go back into the Elsa palette, and we're going to use the darkest shade right here. Oh, by the way, the shade that I just used is called Fearless in the Anna palette. And now we're going to use this one, which is called, I don't know what it's called, I can't tell, but it's this one right here. And I'm only going to put that in the corner and then try and work it in the crease, just a tiny bit, because it's very dark. That is a lot more dramatic than I meant it to be, but I'm going to round out the edges a little bit better. I'm just gonna do the other side now. So that didn't go very well, but we are not finished and we are not giving up. I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush to blend out the outside. So there's that, and now we're gonna add some gold into the, ooh, what if I made this a crease? So we're going to get this same concealer and I'm gonna get this brush, this concealer brush, and I'm just gonna put concealer just like right there. It's not gonna be that much because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, now time to mess up the other eye. Okay. Just a little dull. I think I need to add some glitter on top. But we did a cut crease. I'm gonna add some of this Ardell. Yeah, it's called Ardell. It's just a bunch of glitter, and I'm just gonna put it on like the gold part. Okay, so that looks so extra, but it looks cool. Now we're gonna do eyelashes. I'm gonna put on some new eyelashes. Along with this other stuff that I got, I also got these Ardell Lashes, if you can see them. They are, yeah, so these ones, they're just like wispy ones, and these ones are like super light, and then there's like medium, and then that one's just like normal, I guess, I don't know. If you're interested in how to put on fake lashes, you can watch my attempting to put on fake lashes video. That's when I first learned how to do it, and I have steps on there on how to do it, and I didn't know how to do it then, but I do know how to do it now for sure. So I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. eyelash curler and do my best to curl them lashes. We're gonna use this mascara, and it's the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I really like it. Right, so I'm gonna use this Touch of Berry e.l.f. lipstick. It's like not even like moisturizing or anything, but like it's like berry, I guess, and it kind of matches the eyes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm actually very happy with how it turned out. The eyelashes were a little difficult, and you can tell this isn't glued down all the way because I always have a hard time doing the end, the inside end. But I actually really like how it looks. I'm very surprised with how it turned out, and I'm very surprised in a good way. I think it looks super cool. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more to see more of my videos and get notifications when my videos come out. Bye!